Hello students, welcome to online English learning class with Manju Sharma. Hope you are safe and healthy. Today we will do a poem, The Rebel by DJ Enright. Dear students, you must have observed in our surrounding, there are certain people or our friends who always disagree with others. What do we call them? Yes, we call them rebel. Dear students, in our day to day life also, some people don't want to follow the daily routine and are usually found breaking the rules. So we call them rebel. Let's know about our poet, DJ Enright. Dennis Joseph Enright was a British academic, poet, novelist, and critic. He authored Academic Year, Memoirs of Mendicant Professor, and a wide range of essays, reviews, anthologies, children's books, and poems. Now, theme of the poem. The Rebel is a simple but humorous and satirical poem. Through the character of Rebel, the poet wants to emphasize the importance of individual liberty. This is not a typically political rebel who wants a revolution in the country, but this is a common teenager boy who, for his inexperience, exhibits himself so as to draw attention. They always act against popular opinion and common behavior. Their actions are motivated by a strong urge to look different from others. Egotistic behavior is always rooted in a scene of inferiority and insecurity. In this poem, the poet has exposed the behavior of young persons in an ironic manner. The poem is an interesting and harmless criticism on the behavior of young rebellious persons. The poet successfully persuades us to develop tolerance for rebels and put up with their behavior. Yes, after reciting the poem on your own, let's start the explanation. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. In these lines, the poet expresses the attitude of a social rebel. When everybody keeps short and uniform hair, the rebel knowingly grows his hair long. This he does for the fact that he wants to look different from others. In these lines, the poet says that the rebel goes against the custom and tradition of the society. When rest of the society grows long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. This he does just to have a difference from others. Dear students, how do you select your haircut? Do you follow your friends every time or have same haircut always? Exactly. The same way some students or persons are crazy to show themselves to be unique and cool just by having a different haircut from others. Let's come to poetic devices. First is repetition, as the words when everybody and the rebel have been repeated. Rhyme scheme in the stanza is ABAC. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. In these lines, the poet expresses the thought that when every member of the society talks during a lesson or meeting, the rebel keeps silent because he wants to be prominent. In these lines, the poet says, when nobody talks during the lesson or meeting, the rebel creates disturbance by talking loudly just to look distinct. Let's take an example. Suppose I am explaining something to you and everybody is talking. Then what would the rebel do? He would sit quietly to show that he is different from others. And when everybody is sitting quietly and listening to the lesson, what would the rebel do? He will do just the opposite. Now he will create a disturbance in class. So same here. He will react in this way. Let's talk about the poetic devices. First is repetition, as the word rebel has been repeated. Second is rhyme scheme, that is ABAC. Next is antithesis. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. These lines show a different position of a rebel. When every person of the society wears simple and uniform clothes, the rebel uses strange and odd clothes. He wants to look distinguished from others. In these lines, the poet says, when all these members of the society use queer and strange clothes, the rebel dresses himself very seriously and soberly. For example, your group is going on a school trip and you all are supposed to wear school uniform, but the rebel comes in funky dress. How do you feel then? And in second example, when you all have decided to wear party wear for some special occasion, then he comes in casual. Why he is doing so? Because he wants to look different from others and showing that he is having different attitude. So poetic devices are, first is repetition, as the word rebel and when everybody have been repeated. Rhyme scheme is ABBC. Again here in this stanza, the poetic device is antithesis. In all stanza students, you will find that there is antithesis because two different opinion are going side by side. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cats lovers, the rebel puts in good word for dogs. In these lines, the poet expresses his idea of a rebel. If some people love dogs as pet animals, the rebel talks about the usefulness of cats. He prefers cats to dogs. If a rebel is in company of those people who love cats, he prefers dogs to cats. He wants to look different at all costs. So even in choosing or having a pet also, he shows different attitude. Poetic devices used in this stanza are, first is repetition as some words have been repeated. Second, rhyme scheme is ABAB. Next is antithesis. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of the sun. The poet says if people require the sunlight and praise the sun, the rebel is against them. He says that the sun is not required and there is need for rain. When everybody of society welcomes and requires rain, the rebel says something about the sun. He feels sorry for the absence of the sun. According to him, there is need for sunlight. For example, when all feel comfortable in sun, he would miss rain. And when everybody is enjoying the rainy weather, he would miss the sun. Here also he does not agree with others. Poetic devices are, first is repetition as some words have been repeated. Rhyme scheme is ABBA. Next poetic device is antithesis. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When every member of the society goes to some gathering and attends the meeting, the rebel stays at home and keeps himself busy by reading a book. When everybody of the society stays at home and reads a book, the rebel tries to find some crowd of the people and wants to attend them. For example, you all have decided to go for a picnic, but what the rebel would do? He would prefer to stay at home. Here also, he is opposing the idea of others. Poetic devices are repetition, as some words have been repeated. Second is rhyme scheme, that is ABBA. Next is antithesis. When everybody says yes, please, the rebel says no, thank you. When everybody says no, thank you, the rebel says yes, please. Yes, in these lines, when every person asks for something, the rebel rejects the same with thanks because he is a person quite different from others. When everybody of the society does not like and does not receive anything and says thank you for that, the rebel on purpose, knowingly, requires that thing and asks for it. So here also in this stanza, the poet is showing that there is contradiction in both the opinions. When everybody is demanding something, he is rejecting. When everybody is rejecting, he is accepting. Poetic devices used here are: first is repetition, as some words have been repeated. Rhyme scheme is ABBA. Next poetic device is antithesis, because two persons are different in their opinion. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. In these lines, the poet concludes that it is very good that we have social rebels in the society, but naturally, it is not good to become a social rebel. The poet further suggests that if we already have the social rebels, we should tolerate them. Without them, life would become monotonous and dull. Dear students, as human, we often focus on just one perspective, and generally it's easily accepted by the society or other people. But rebels fight that instinct and find ways to steer some conflicts, encourage disagreement, which shows their willingness to bring change in society. So it's good to have rebels. But dear students, would you like to oppose or disagree with others every time? No, because we have no guts and strength to contradict others, and in this way, we may lose our friends also. Poetic devices used are: first is repetition, as some words have been repeated. Second is oxymoron. Why is it? Because two contradictory ideas are here. Here, one side we are praising the rebels because it is good to have rebels, and in second line we are saying that we don't want to be a rebel. So both are contradictory. So we will say that here is oxymoron. Thank you. Have a nice day.